The New York Post. The New York Post is a daily tabloid newspaper. Based in New York City, here's some information about the publication. History *, the New 1801 by Alexander Hamilton, one of the founding fathers of the United States. It is one of the oldest newspapers in the United States and has a long history of covering news, politics, entertainment, and sports in New York City and beyond. Owned News Corp, a media conglomerate. Founded by Rupert Murdoch, Murdoch purchased the newspaper in 1976, and it has been part of the News Corp portfolio ever since. Format: bold headlines, sensationalistic stories, and colorful tabloid format. It covers a wide range of topics, including local and national news, politics, gossip, celebrity news, sports, and opinions, including news, opinion, business, sports, entertainment, and lifestyle. It also features special sections and inserts on topics such as fashion, food, and real estate. Online presence *, in addition, the New York Post has a strong online presence, with a website that features breaking news, articles, photo galleries, videos, and interactive features. It also has a presence on social media platforms, like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Controversies, known for its provocative and controversial coverage, sometimes generating criticism for its sensationalistic and tabloid-style journalism. However, it also loyal readership and is a prominent voice in the media landscape of New York City. Overall, the New York Post plays a significant role in shaping public discourse and providing news and information to residents of New York City and beyond. It has a distinctive style and voice that sets it apart from newspapers and media outlets. Find more vlogs at https://www.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with MRR Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://com/success collaboration. God bless you.